Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet containing the hidden rows you want to unhide. Now select the rows on both sides of the hidden rows you want to unhide. Now right click on the selected rows and from the context menu choose Unhide. As you see, the hidden rows are revealed. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.